Quality cropland, recreational woods, country home, plus equipment and household goods. This Northern Indiana auction has something for everyone. Metzger Property Services presents these 194 acres in Whitley County, selling at auction October 28th. These 194 acres will be offered in 5 individual tracts, with tracts 1 through 4 about 20 miles west of Fort Wayne and under 10 miles south of Columbia City at 2499 West State Route 14, while Tract 5 is another 7 miles south on State Route 114. Tract 1 is 12 acres and features home, multiple outbuildings, plus a pond ideal for outdoor recreation. The 4-bedroom home has 1 bathroom, an eat-in kitchen, and ample space for comfortable living, including spacious living room and master bedroom. In addition to the 2-car attached garage, Tract 1 offers a pole barn with concrete floor, walk door, equipment doors, office area, bathroom, and loft with storage. A second pole barn is equipped with livestock pens and sliding doors, as Tract 1 includes pasture area and garden area with fruit trees. Tract 2, 3, and Tract 4 are each cropland with a soil index of 140.8. Tract 2 is 28 acres. Tract 3 is 22 acres in size, while Tract 4 is 40 acres. Tract 4 is a swing tract and must be purchased in conjunction with Tract 1 or Tract 2 or by an adjoining landowner. Tract 5 is 91.77 acres of cropland with a soil index of 149.1. You'll discover how this auction is certain to have what you're looking for after you visit the open house Monday afternoon, October 23rd from 5:30 to 6. Quality cropland, woods, country home with outbuildings, these 194 acres in Whitley County, plus equipment and household goods will sell at auction Saturday morning, October 28th at 10 o'clock. Auction will be held on site at Tract 1 on West State Route 14. To find out more, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website metzgerauction.com.